The Kia EV2 is the smallest electric Kia yet. It is also the most affordable one yet. This all-new car runs a 42 kilowatt-hour battery. Barely 4 meters long, the 2026 EV2 is built in Slovakia for Europe beneath the EV3. One catch on the entry car, but more on that later. Up front sit sharp vertical daytime lights. You reach for the door. Inside, it feels bigger than the badge suggests. 3 screens stretch across the dash, 2 big displays plus a climate strip, and if clever small EVs are your thing, subscribe. Woven fabric covers the dash where rivals use hard plastic. Space is the party trick, so the wheelbase is stretched to free up room inside. Kia's newest software runs the screens with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a voice assistant that understands plain speech. There is proper storage too, a deep bin and twin cup holders. The Air's front seats are heated, trimmed in light, hard-wearing cloth. From the driver's seat, everything is in reach, and the cabin punches so far above its class, the catch feels minor. The back is the surprise because the rear seats slide and recline, borrowing a trick from the little Hyundai Inster. Slide them back for real adult legroom, slide them forward and the boot grows for the weekly shop. This is packaging that usually costs far more, and it is why the little Kia feels serious, not cheap. Around the back, tall vertical lights and the EV2 badge mark it out. But is it practical? Very. The boot holds 362 liters and folds flat when you need more. Lift the tailgate and it keeps giving. Drop the rear seats for 1,200 liters. Underneath sits space for your charging cables, so nothing clutters the flat-load floor. 10 to 80% takes half an hour. Now that catch, the entry battery manages about 197 miles. So think ahead. The long version goes further. It reaches 281 miles, yet still opens near 24,000 pounds, undercutting the Renault 4. Skip the base car if you drive far. Otherwise, buy the long-range car, cross-shop the Hyundai Inster and Fiat Grande Panda, and trust the packaging. Auto TV score 9.1. The little Kia grew up.